Well, hi, you're welcome to the Create High School Summit and Exhibition Tour at Armed Forces. This is not just your regular, conference with secondary schools. We're going to be talking leadership, we're going to be talking education, we're going to be talking entrepreneurship. So I'm going to see you at the end.
We can't build a Ghana we dream of by leaving our future leaders behind. Through this tour, we are igniting a movement that fuels innovation, creates economic opportunities, and transforms lives, especially in undeserved communities. If we are to shape a future of progress, we must instill the right mindset, the one that fosters leadership rooted in God and love for our country. We are not waiting for the future to change. We are raising the ones who will change it. This is more than a program. It is a call to action to build the Ghana we dream of.
Building the game changers of tomorrow.
Building the Ghana we want.